In FoodBank Manager, you can easily create a reservation for a guest's visit. To start, go to Manage, then select Reservations, and click Create. You'll see two options to create a new reservation. Either use an existing guest record or create a new one. For this example, we'll use an existing guest record. If you have the guest's barcode, choose Search by Barcode. If not, switch to Search by Columns, where you can look up the guest using the table filters. In this case, we'll simply press Enter to display the full guest list. From here, select a guest from the list. The reservation page will appear. Scroll down to the Select Help Desired section and choose the tracking method you want to use for this reservation. After selecting a tracking method, a new table will appear showing all available schedules for that help type. Keep in mind that if the selected help type belongs to more than one outreach, all of those outreaches will appear in the schedule view. Next, choose a schedule for the guest, update the status if needed, and click Save. From here, you'll also see action buttons that let you perform other tasks without leaving the reservation page. Just note that depending on what you select, you may be redirected to the related page.